Professional business owner, full-time business owner of lifestyles. Good morning world, best endorser of the year 2019, and nominee of Rising Star in Lifestyles Philippines, and a product of the product. Help me welcome our International Marketing Director, Blanca Remucha. Take it away, IMD.
Yes, I am the Blanca Remucha from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, talking here in our Good Morning World FB Live. Are you still excited? Yes, you should be excited because I will be tackling about the marketing plan of lifestyles. But before that, let me ask our guests and participants, who among you here have tried our products? And who among you here gusto ng libre na intra and malaking discount? Sino ba ang gusto dyan? Type me at the comment box below. Yes, to begin with, tap into two of the fastest growing industries, health and wellness and network marketing. Yes, you heard it right, network marketing. But don't be worried about network marketing because Paulsen Pelzer, world-renowned researcher, new economy expert, and trend forecaster, author, and Nobel Prize winner said 10 million new millionaires will be created by 2016 onwards. You can become one of them, especially if you are in direct selling technology and home-based business. And Lifestyles has it all. Isn't it amazing? Yes! Kaya, pag may nagsabi na tao na pangit ang network marketing, tell them that network marketing is not bad. In fact, it is important because it enables you to earn more and work less by building your passive income sources. Yes or yes? Yes. So this is the distribution process. In traditional model, from manufacturer na 40%, yung wholesaler mag-a-add yan ng 30%, and also the retailer. So pagdating ng consumer, 100% na, kaya masyadong mahal. Now, tingnan natin yung network marketing. Manufacturer na 40%, of course, no more wholesaler and no more retailer. Kaya pagdating sa consumer, 60% na siya. Lifestyles Philippines, 20 successful years, best reputation in the country, and many millionaires created right here. And it's true. Kasi when I joined Lifestyles May of 2017, 36 GMDs pa lang meron. But now, more than 50 GMDs na. And you know what? Just last year, Lifestyles created new 20 GMDs, mga millionaires sa Lifestyles. And they are, and it's still counting. And they also, nagha-hire pa sila ng GMD ngayon. Kaya, yung nandyan sa black na yan, yung yun na yan, I'm sure ako na yan. Yes or yes? Lahat tayo magiging GMD. So, learn how you can be the next millionaire. Paano ba? Of course, be a distributor. So, we have here two packages to choose for. First is instant package. So, you will get 30% outright discount. You get 21 Better Together kit worth 144,900 peso, and you pay only 103,430. Now, may free intra bottle siya na 9 bottles, and it's worth 16,200 pesos. Your profit and savings is 57,670. Your return on investment is 56%. Di ba kayo ma-excite sa sobrang laki ng kikitain mo? Kasi kung yung 100,000 peso mo nasa bangko yan, sure ako na in 1 year, hindi yan kikita ng 57,000. Now, tingnan natin yung next package, the Express Direct. It's 20% outright discount, and you get 11 Better Together kit worth of 75,900 peso. and you pay only 62,720. Now, here naman, may 5,400 worth of product kasi tatlo ang libre niya. And your profit and savings is 18,580. Your return on investment is 30%. Here's the great news. If you choose any of the two package, Instant or Express, on your next purchase, you can get the highest discount na 40%. And here's more. While doing lifestyles business, anywhere you go, you are entitled to 1 million personal accident insurance or 100,000 hospital reimbursement. But only here in the Philippines lang, ha? Okay, yes or yes? Yes. Are you still excited? Okay, so here's the packages in different countries. Please take a photo for your file. Next is the passive income opportunity. Now, tingnan natin ito. Yung yun na yan, ay ako yan. And then, after the presentation, yung friend C ko, nag-decide siya to get the instant package. So the company will give me 14,638. Now, another friend of mine, which is letter D, get the instant package and the company will give me 16,301. So, meron akong 30,939. Now, here, meron ulit na great news. Kasi if you were able to sponsor 2 direct distributors in 30 calendar day, you will be receiving 9 bottles of Intra for free. And maganda. At saka masasabihin mo talaga na wow, super generous yung company. And it's worth 16,200 peso. So my total income is 47,139. And ito na yung passive income. Let's say, sa letter A, nakasponsor siya ng 4, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there, I get 2,440 and total of 9,760. And my friend B again, sponsored 2. Meron din akong 2,440 times 2, and that is 4,880 peso. So, meron akong passive income na 14,640. And total natin, yung active income ko, 47,139. My total earning is 61,779. Yes or yes? Super great, di ba? Sobrang laki. So, your network is equals to assets. Now, build your network, find your 6 people with the system. So, paano ba yan? It started with you. Yes, dapat ikaw talaga. No other but you, and look for your 6 people. Now, that 6 people, they also look for another 6 and it becomes 36. And 36 will also look for their 6, it becomes 216 and it becomes 1,296 and it will reach to 9,330. But the company is already 32 years. So, statistically, 20% lang ang from 9,330, 20%, which is 1,866 people order 3 Better Together kit in 1 month. Tingnan nyo yung passive income. It's 1,241,556 month after month after month, or $30,229 US. Excited ba kayo sa income na yan? Yes, me too. I'm very, very excited. Sabi ni Sir Eli, money overload daw. So, merong tanong dito. What do you want to be? And how much would you like to earn? So, here's the potential income sa lifestyles. If you are an independent distributor, pwede kang maka-income ng up to 20,000. And if you are a working direct distributor, 20 to 40,000. Working regional director, 40 to 75,000. Working executive director, up to 200,000. And working national marketing director, up to 500,000. And international marketing director, 500 to 1 million. And this is our future, yung gusto natin, to become a global marketing director kasi it's 1 million or more than 20,000 US dollars. But bago mo makuha yung digits na yan, meron itong tatlong susi. Ano ba yun? The 3 keys to success. Okay, number 1, dream. You must have a dream because if you don't have dreams, nothing to chase. So get up and chase your dreams because yung mga dreams na yan, libre yan and it is planted by God. Dreams are very important thing in life. And without dreams, we will be nowhere. Yes or yes? Yes. So number 2 is work. You must willing to work. Yes, sabi ni Sir Eli. Dreams don't work. Yes, sabi ni Ma'am Marie. Yes daw. So dreams don't work unless you do. So take action and work hard for your dreams. Think of your family. Or isipin mo na lang ang mga taong naghihintay na mababayaran mo. Baka matagal na yung utang mo sa kanya. If you work hard and you do your best, you can do anything. Yes or yes? Yes. So the hardest key to turn is the number 3, being teachable. So learn to unlearn. You should be capable of being taught. You must be willing to learn kasi kung wala ka nito, wala ding mangyayari sa'yo. Magpaturo ka kahit hindi nakapagtapos ng college yung nag-sponsor sa'yo, kahit sino pa siya, anuman siya, trust that person kasi siya lang ang magtuturo sa'yo sa business na ito. Okay? So I'm done with my presentation. Step on board and begin your journey of a lifetime. Okay. My testimony. May God be praised forever, and may the Holy Spirit be upon me now and for always. My life before Lifestyles, I was a spa attendant way back 1996. Then I became a massage trainer and a spa manager. I was also into direct selling like Ducky, W. Brown, Avon, and a lot more. I am also a traditional business owner. I have sari-sari store, meron akong bukuhan, small restaurant in Nueva Vizcaya. I have internet cafe and school service here in Lapu-Lapu, but walang nangyayari. I work like a superwoman, but my effort is not enough sa lahat ng mga pangangailangan ng pamilya ko. 2013, when my mom was diagnosed of lymphoma cancer, I said yes to the product, but I said no to the opportunity. But I always ask and pray to God na sana bigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon na makaahon sa kahirapan. Until He answered my plea, March 2017, when I was diagnosed with multiple thyroid nodules, severe migraine, hormonal imbalance, anxiety, depression, dahil sa daming utang, I went to my angel upline, IMD Eleanor Abing, and I asked for an intra. My reason of joining is that I don't have 200,000 for an operation. The next thing I know is isa na pala akong business owner ng Lifestyles. Officially, May 16 of 2017. The ladder of success is real. Kasi less than a month, naging direct distributor ako. And my first check was 3,779. Less than 3 months, I got promoted to executive director, earning 64,000. After 1 year and 6 months, na-promote ako as national marketing director. And just last October of 2020, I got promoted to international marketing director and got my highest check, more than 500,000. You know, during my NMD promotion, I brought my family to Manila and stay in the condo hotel for 2 days and got to travel in different places. My life, our lives will never be the same when I did the business full-time. Kasi, yung dati nabubuli ang mga anak ko dahil promissory note lang ang bit-bit nila. Tuwing nag-i-exam, ngayon nakapag-aral na ng nursing ang second child ko. Kung dati, kahit entrance ng public beach resort, hirap kami magbayad. But just last September, after na-open yung ibang resort dito, mula nung nag-pandemic, I both my children and my apo and my family were able to drive and ride the jet ski, not just 1, but 3. And just recently, I treat my papa in one of the expensive resort as his birthday gift. Nadagdagan na rin ang family ko, di lang family by blood, but I also found my SFO family, my prayer warriors. And every month, nagtatitings naman ako para sa mga church and other charities. Lifestyles give me the opportunity to travel for free, and both local and international. Ang maganda, kasama ko ang asawa ko, business partners ko, downlines and uplines, and of course, my co-lifestylers. And we travel with style. After a year doing the business, I bought my first asset. With the help of my mentor uplines, IMD Eleanor Abing and NMD Palaran Abing, my first SUV Suzuki Ertiga. And after 2 years, naka-acquired naman kami ng 2 condominiums. And my downlines din, sobrang sarap pakinggan or paramdaman. Kasi nakapagkaroon na rin sila ng sarili nilang mga cars. The price listing is the personality growth. The person I become. Dito, I become more patient, humble, and I can give more because I earn more and become a better person. During my childhood, I always got rejected. But here, makikita talaga ang kakayahan mo. Kagaya na lang nang na-announce ang pangalan ko as Rising Star nominee just last Wednesday by Sir Paul Kramer. Kaya lahat na mga guest dito, join na kayo. And I can attest that your decision today will definitely change your future. Our salary will feed us, but our passive income will buy our dreams. Decide now and have faith. Yung faith na hindi mo alam kung ano mangyari sa'yo, pagpasok mo, ba't pinagpatuloy mo pa rin gaya ng ginawa ko? Folks, yan na ang sagot ng Panginoon sa'yo. Believe it. Open your heart and your mind. Join us. Get instant or instant direct. With that, thank you and good morning. To God be all the glory.